In this webinar, we will demonstrate how to configure video verification services using your Bosch Cloud-Based Monitoring Services webpage. We will enroll a camera, as well as configure a Bosch B-Series control panel for use with that camera and video verification. To begin, log into your Cloud-Based Monitoring Services account. Select the appropriate account where the site is located. In this example, we will enter the CBS at Fairport site. Click the plus sign to enroll a camera. Key in the MAC address located on the rear of the camera and click Add. After the device has been commissioned and added to the cloud, it will appear in your devices list. To change the name of the camera from the default MAC address, simply clear the address and rename to something of your choice. Click Save Changes. Information specific to each device is located on the right side. We will be coming back here later to paste this info into RPS. Clicking the Channels tab, a live view of the camera that was just enrolled will be displayed. We can edit the channel name from the default name given of camera 1 to something of our choice. Click Save Changes. Return to the Devices page. We will now configure the camera for video verification services. To do so, click on the Open Device page. Select Technical Configuration. And the camera's configuration page will be displayed. From here, select Alarm, VCA, Profile 1, set to Event Triggered. Save our changes. Exit the page. Now we will configure the video verification service within your cloud. Return to our Sites page. Click Services. Click the plus sign to add a new service. In this case, we will be selecting the video verification service. The site, the device that will be triggered by the alarm panel. In this case, it's the Tinian that we just added. Input triggered by intrusion alarm panel, virtual alarm 1. The alarm channel, and service identifier. The identifier can be used in the alarm management system to link the service scenario to an intrusion alarm from the same area. This would be something such as the account number that correlates to the alarm panel. Click Create. The camera has now been enrolled. The video verification service has been configured, as well as the camera configuration settings. Next, launch RPS, or Remote Programming Software. Select the appropriate panel. In this case, we'll be using a B9512. Expand panel-wide parameters and select IP cameras. We'll give camera 1 a name, however, this name from RPS will not correlate to the name given the camera in the cloud. Set the service password. This can be obtained from the sites. Now cut and paste the service password into RPS. Select live password, copy, paste our live password, and the IP address of the camera. Save changes. Next, click on Points. Expand to Point Assignments. In this example, we'll use onboard point 8. The text is Video Verification Example. We're using point index 1, which is configured as a 24-hour panic point in this example. It's assigned to Area 1. And we'll be assigning it Output 11. Expand your points table, come to point 11, select IP camera, the index is left at 0, our output is 11. Next, click on Output Parameters, Output Configuration, expand the table, set Output 11's source as IP camera. Return to area-wide outputs, set alarm bell to an 11. Save changes. Send to the panel, and the process is finished. Any point in Area 1 will now trigger the camera and send the video clip to the cloud.
Bosch, invented for life.